Sir, finally you have got.
ग्लास में गरम इतना अपनी बोलते हैं ग्लास में गरम गला
Sir, finally we have got the Congress ticket for Vasco. What do you want to say on that, sir? Getting the Congress ticket.
I'm happy that I got the Congress ticket.
So, what are the plans now as a Congress candidate? How is the response? The people are,
So that I'm any con. Thebe mukle Nanda Baba lo, Ulari ko Baba lo. Thank for the Congress people.
So you
have to come on board. Their team has to come on board.
Have you spoken to them already, sir?
I spoke to Ulari ko today morning. And I don't know. Nanda I'll talk tomorrow.
So anything from their side, they're upset or they're going to leave the party or something of that sort. Anything from their side because they are also aspiring for the same Congress ticket.
So I have to jail well with the team. I don't want to split the group. I don't want to go on one track and the other track. Because we work as a team, one team, one Congress team. So I'm working on it. It may take me one day. What will happen?
Sir, how do you look at Congress today in Vasco as of now?
See, Congress seat here is much before Sheikh Hassan, then Simon D'Souza and Wembley before. Then it was first was Patel, Gajan Patel. My Sheikh Hassan, my Simon D'Souza, my Zephyr is the Bunda. So basically, Vasco is not a BJP seat. Vasco is a Congress seat. Even the MP election has seen the voting pattern. Amit is the BJP, Goemkarponn.
So now as a Congress candidate, when you're meeting people, how is the response that you get from the people?
The response is tremendous. Tickets that I got maybe more than at least Duchi call in Marathi. I'm getting good response. I do the phone messages. And the feedback is excellent.
Sir, you have already got your own voter base, plus we have a Congress base, plus we have so many councillors that are standing firmly with you. How do you look at the party now, the election coming? What do you think about the
My
Congress?
target is 16,000 votes in Vasco for Congress. 16,000 votes. I'm going to get 8,000. Last time Jay Philippines said 8,000 votes. And I will garner another 8,000 to the council and myself.
Sir, you think with the TMC contesting in Vasco, you think it's going to be a threat to the Congress votes? Are they going to take away any votes? So it is going to be a Congress versus BJP state fight, sir, in Vasco?
It's going to be a state fight between BJP and the Congress. And the Congress is going to win.
So as far as a lot of works that you have taken up were pending while you were in the BJP, and you've been accusing the party of sidelining you. So now as a Congress candidate, you plan to take all these projects forward once you get elected. And what?
I have already told Goemkarponn, he promised Goemkarponn that he is going to give Vasco. He will be the main person, Goemkarponn. And we have told him, and he said, don't worry, Kalush, we support Vasco totally.